On Steam at the moment, we're going to jump on to some Garry's Mod, which I've wanted recently, and we're going to jump across a few other things as well. So yeah, quite an eventful stream. Well, let's hope so anyway. New TARDIS. There we go. So this works, right? Nope. Let's land on whatever this planet is. No, we don't that. This. There we go. Oh, we haven't gone into this planet yet, so let's have a look, shall we? Here we go. Whoa. Some deadly lands here. Wait a second, where are we just going? This was still there. Because I'm no longer the pilot. Great. Let's try and fix this. I just went to the floor. That wasn't great. Let's get a good battle going on. Absolutely everywhere. She's doing quite well actually. Surprisingly well for me. So. Retreat, retreat.